Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson I'm going to show you how to put this color on red or use of gradient. Okay, so just visit on Canva. I have selected the size of YouTube thumbnail and now I am going to design this. So how to design this? Just go ahead and select this area like this one and just drag it from all the corner. Okay, done. Now it's time to put my image here. I will put here. Okay, done. Now we are going to put this color here. How to do that? So here we have to use one option, and that is elements. See, whatever you want to put additional, you will get everything on elements. Okay, like arrow, line, heart, circle, square, graphics. Some graphics are paid, some graphics are free. Okay, so let me show you how I put that color. So that color you have to search here gradient. Okay, gradient transparent, gradient shape, gradient rectangle, gradient square. Okay, let me select gradient square. What is gradient square? Okay, this one is gradient square. So there is no use of this. So we will take transparent gradient. Okay, so in this way. Okay, you can see here, and in this way you will get everything. So let me take this. Okay, just put it here, drag in this way, and upper part also, and you just, if you want to put like this, you just put or highlight little bit. So I will put here all. Okay, so in this way you can put, and if you want to change color also you can change. You can make it white, and you can make it black, or you can make it blue. Okay, so in this way you can play with the color as well as elements, and under elements you will get graphics, photos, videos, audio, frames. Okay, so don't get confused. You just search it here, transparent gradient, and you will see these all option. Okay, so just go ahead and try it, and you will love it once you practice. So thank you so much. Meet you in the next lesson. For now, bye bye.